pen. It's a big fish. He just came up and just hammered it. If I should pull it, mark him out. Got it out?
It's out.
Oh, nice walleye. Nice walleye. Nice. Look at the size of that. Look at the size of that. Oh, gosh. You get him on there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big fish. That is a big fish. Boy, he just hammered that lightning spoon. Look at the size of that thing.
That's so cool, the ice is okay.
Oh. It's going under the otter for cover. Look at the size of that fish.
Wow, that's so cool.
That's like a humpback whale. Come on, baby. Oh, I barely got him. Barely got him.
Get him, get him. You can see the bait going.
He's not gonna like this. I got him.
Yay!
Look at that fish. Look at that fish.
Wow.
Look at the size of that fish right there.
Beauty.
That's a hog. That is a hog fish. Woohoo! Boy, pretty fish. Boy, I just barely had him in the snoot here too. Just nothing to get him out.
Think your tape will measure him?
What's that? Yeah, he's good 27, easy.
Wow.
Let's get a couple shots of him on the pictures.
Okay.